Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out this retro floor lamp. This can be controlled with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant or an app. It also has a remote as well. So okay, my friends, so here we have it. I just want to demonstrate this little button it has on the floor here. You can just press this, turns off your light, turns it back on. I think that's really cool. I've never seen that before, so I was kind of impressed. Anyways, you can see it puts out a decent amount of light, not overpowering or anything like that, but plenty bright for what you need it to do. And just a great little lamp here. I'm really impressed with all the features this thing has. The app is absolutely crazy. It has a ton of different things. The lightning, I mean, it's just really neat. So whatever, you could change the colors on here. The remote, you don't have to point it a certain direction. It's super responsive. Just a really cool lamp here, my friends. As you can see, it's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.